Martinis on the Rocks has vodka, of course, because the ginger ale, simple syrup, and raspberries. There's also a Stephen Miller's Hair Affair and Hot Tub Crime Machine.
Wow.
Yeah.
They got pretty clever with the names.
You know, I'd like to invite, what's the name of the Capitol Hill Lounge?
Capitol Hill Lounge, yeah.
Capitol Hill Lounge, if you can, jump on a train, come to Fox and Friends, make some of those cocktails for us tomorrow on the show.
Oh, there you go.
I love it.
Yeah,
you can't do a cocktail segment without cocktails.
I like that raspberry one.
And if you're back in my hometown Washington, then go out and have some $5 cocktail.
There you go. $5, good deal. All right, we're turning now to your headlines. New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio wants taxpayers to pay pot dealers. In a new report released by his administration, they need at least $10 million to help find marijuana businesses. It's unclear whether the city or state would front the money. This week, de Blasio and New York Democratic Governor Andrew Cuomo gave their stamp of approval to legalize marijuana next year.